Hi everyone, welcome to a special edition of Public Art and the artists who create it. Today we are going to learn how this magnificent sculpture entitled Current came to reside outside the Pompano Beach Cultural Center. Join us as we share behind-the-scenes footage of the installation and meet the artist Michael Szabo.
In 2018, the Public Art Committee issued a call to artists in order to create a signature piece of art that would become an iconic symbol of the city.
Standing over 15 feet tall, Current is an abstract reference to the infinite and dynamic flow of community, creativity, and solidarity that the Cultural Arts Center offers to its residents and visitors.
Michael Szabo is a highly acclaimed artist who creates large-scale, site-integrated sculptures that speak to the environment they inhabit. Michael fabricated the piece in San Francisco, and it was driven to Pompano Beach. A sculpture of these dimensions requires a solid foundation and a great team to help with flawless installation.
Hi, my name is Michael Szabo. I'm an artist based in San Francisco, and we just installed Current today. This is a public sculpture in front of the Cultural Arts Center in Pompano Beach, and I'm really honored that my piece was chosen for this space, and it was a very successful installation, and hope that everyone enjoys it for years to come. The idea is for this piece to kind of represent the reciprocal sense of connection and place that the Cultural Arts Center provides for the people of Pompano Beach. The piece was fabricated in my studio in San Francisco. It's made from stainless steel and bronze. While I believe I won the project in April of 2019, it was a bit of a longer process than usual, complicated like so many things because of the pandemic, but I really appreciated how the city worked with me and the Public Art Commission, and we were able to work together to get this installed despite some challenges. So it was very successful, and I really commend the city and the Public Art program for a really great process.
We invite you to come and visit this beautiful monument day or night. It's a perfect backdrop for your next selfie.